Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with a custom knife factory switch here with me for a quick review. But don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below, or check out Fablades.com and at Fablades on Instagram. Let's see what are we talking about here in terms of size. We have overall 8 inches long when open, 3.5 for the blade and 4.5 for the handle. Not too big of a knife. It's nice and classy, pretty cool. Use of material: titanium, marble, carbon fiber, a little bit of zirconium for the backspacer, and of course M390 steel for this quite thick blade. It's very interesting. There's a blind screw for the pivot, kind of like faux collar. I'm not sure if these are collars or just probably, yeah. Still, it's numbered. There's 333 of these made, designed by Jeff Blofeld. It's tough knives. You can actually see the logo right over there. And as you just saw, my only gripe is about the flipper tab, because it's a little bit too rounded off if you do a light switch operation. So it's better to stick with just with the push button. It's gonna be fine. It's jimped enough. So like that. So pretty cool, smooth action. Let's check the weight. It's not too drastic, even because the zirconium backspacer, it's gonna have a little bit of an effect in these 3.99 ounces for sure, and also the thickness of the stock. But I mean, overall, this guy looks phenomenal. Has very cool gentleman kind of looking knife design, very sweeping, cool lines. I'm really attracted by the aesthetics of this fella right over here. The action is super smooth. By the way, this guy is running on skiff bearings. You can also check the video on how to install skiff bearings on this kind of blades. Looking good. A nice frame lock. The inlays are marble, carbon fiber with some pretty cool milling going on. Look at that. Not too shabby, eh? But anyway, guys, if you want to know more, you can check out my full-length review. And thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned.